Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Claws. My name's Lisa Graves and today I'm going to show you how to do these super cute colourful cloud nails. So I'm going to be working on top of these nude and blue ombres. So here's a set I have done previously. If you want to watch the video tutorial for this, the link should appear on the screen right about now. So I'm going to be doing some gel design on top of these. I have already top coated this nail and all the rest have been filed and buffed, ready for the art to go on. So I'm going to start off with Pinky. I'm actually going to be painting over this ombre. I'm going to be using a mixture of colours. So I'm going to be using this pastel yellow, which is called Limoncello, this pastel green, which is called Chartres, a pastel blue called Blue Reflection, a pastel purple called Periwinkle, and this pastel peachy colour, which is called Bottoms Up. So for this nail, I'm going to be using the 003 brush, which is a long striker brush. So starting with Limoncello. I'm just going to pop a blob of that on the back of my thumb, load my brush up, and I'm going to create a rainbow on this nail. So my sections are going to be slightly curved. Okay, so I'm going to flash cure between each colour. Pop that one in please, Megan. And I am going to do 2 coats of each colour as well. So next section is Chartres. So don't worry too much about the neatness of these 2 colours joining because we're going to be outlining these shortly. Okay, that can go into the lamp. Okay, next one we're using is Blue Reflection. Okay, pop that in. Moving on to Periwinkle. And for the last section of this nail, we're going to be using Bottoms Up. And that can go in. Okay, so I'm going to be using a little bit of Snow White just to go between the colours. And I'll load my brush up. And just in between those colours. Okay, when you're happy, that can go in the lamp for a full cure. And I'm going to top coat this nail. Okay, put that in. So on these 2 nails, I'm going to paint some clouds. So just using Snow White. So for these particular clouds, I'm going to do the bottom of the cloud quite flat and then the lumpy bumpy cloudy bits on top. Okay, when you're happy, that can go in for a fresh cure. Okay, put that in. Okay, so I'm going to top coat these two nails now. Okay, put those in. Okay, right, so on the nail that we have already top coated, just gonna make sure there's nothing on there. So on this nail, I'm gonna be using these three pastel colours, the green, the blue and the yellow. I'm gonna start off with the green first, kind of do a bit of a blob, and then I want these coming into a point. Just flash cure that for me, please. And then the blue one, again, just a blob. And then coming up, pop that one in. And then with the pastel yellow, same again, just a small blob, and then drag that up into a point like that. You can use more colours if you want. I'm just going to use the three for this one to pop that in for me. Okay, now using Snow White again, I'm going to paint another cloud on here. I'm going to overlap them ever so slightly. Okay, pop that one in. Right, so I'm going to top coat just over the cloud and the little rainbow that we have done because I want to sugar them. Just very carefully with the top coat, only on what we've done, because I only want the glitter to stick to the top coat. I don't want it sticking to anything else. Okay, so while that is still wet, we've got this really, really tiny glitter, quite an iridescent one. And I'm just going to sprinkle that on there. Just turn your finger up a bit for me. Tap off any excess, and then that can go into the lamp for a full cure. So I'm just going to dust off the excess glitter. And then just to tie the thumb into this design set, I'm just going to sugar this entire nail with the same glitter. So you will still see the ombre, but it will just be next level glittery goodness. So a thin layer of top coats, and same again with the same glitter. Just going to sprinkle this over. Okay, pop that in for full cure. And same again, just dust off your excess glitter. And there we go. So I'm going to finish these nails off with the coconut cuticle oil. So here are the finished nails. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and all the links to the products that we've used in this video will be in the description box below. Thanks!